All right, hold on. We're gonna do our sync. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so today we're gonna talk a little bit about ProPresenter. Let's find ProPresenter in our dock. All right, and we've seen ProPresenter icon a couple of times before. Here we are. Okay, so as we open things up, we can see a couple of different areas of our screen. Right now, the center part of the screen is a presentation. That's what we create in ProPresenter. We create presentations, but we combine a bunch of presentations to make a service. And we do that. We'll talk a little bit more about that in a second. But all of our individual presentations we can see down here in this bottom left side panel or this middle side panel. Our presentations are going to live in different libraries. You can see on this one we have This Week Traditional, This Week Contemporary, and this one's very important. This is our past worship. This is where we transfer all of our services from that we've done in the past, and we put those here after every week, and I'll show you why here in a second. But so we have our past worships, we have our songs for contemporary worship. We have a couple of different odds and ends up here, like scripture that we use commonly, but I don't really use this a whole lot. Here's our hymns for traditional service. And then here is where I place presentations for different things like funerals. I'll usually have one called event. That's where special things go. So what we're going to do is we're going to create presentations, and we're going to store them in our library, and then we are going to finally create a playlist. Okay, so we have our individual components here, our presentations. They are stored in libraries, and we use those presentations that are stored in the libraries to create a playlist that will be used for service. And that is just the first section of our tutorial.